This is a message from the Paralake Emergency Management Agency. At 20:15 GMT, the Paralake Medical Institute confirmed reports of an unidentified viral outbreak affecting multiple areas across the city. All residents are urged to recognize and report early symptoms of infection, which include blurred vision, persistent coughing, intense hunger, uncontrollable anger, and noticeable yellow external bleeding. Anyone exhibiting these symptoms should be considered dangerous and avoided immediately. Secure your homes by locking all windows and doors, and do not attempt to approach or communicate with infected individuals. Await further instructions from local authorities. Updates will be provided as new information becomes available. Do not panic. Stay calm. And may God help us all.